The world holds its breath. Excitement fills the air. It's Olympic time. The anticipation is palpable as athletes from around the globe prepare to showcase their talents and hard work. The Olympics are more than just a series of competitions. They are a global celebration of human potential and perseverance. Paris, the city of lights, welcomes the world. The streets are adorned with vibrant decorations, and the iconic landmarks stand as proud symbols of the city's rich history and culture. The atmosphere is electric, filled with the promise of unforgettable moments and historic achievements. This isn't just any Olympics, it's a unique convergence of tradition and modernity, where the past meets the present. The lighting of the Olympic torch signifies the beginning of a journey that transcends borders and unites nations. It's a celebration of peace, unity, and resilience. Athletes from diverse backgrounds come together, embodying the Olympic spirit of camaraderie and mutual respect. The opening ceremony is a testament to the power of sport to bridge divides and foster a sense of global community. Paris, 2024 marks a century since the city last hosted the Games. The 1924 Paris Olympics were a landmark event, setting the stage for future generations of athletes. This centennial celebration is a nod to the enduring legacy of the Games and the timeless values they represent. It's a testament to the enduring spirit of the Olympics. The awarding of medals is not just a recognition of athletic excellence, but also a celebration of the human spirit's capacity to overcome challenges and achieve greatness. The Games stand for hope and inspiration. Each performance, each victory, and even each defeat carries a story of dedication, hard work, and the relentless pursuit of dreams. The cheers of the crowd echo the collective aspirations of humanity. They bring people together from all walks of life. The Olympics are a melting pot of cultures where differences are celebrated and commonalities are cherished. Athletes and fans alike share moments of joy, sorrow, and triumph, creating memories that last a lifetime. This year's event is a beacon of light in a world yearning for connection. The Olympic flame burns brightly, symbolizing hope and unity. The spectacular fireworks and illuminated stadiums are a visual representation of the light that the Games bring into our lives. Paris, 2024 is a symbol of renewal and progress. The city's blend of historic charm and modern innovation reflects the forward-looking spirit of the Olympics. Athletes training in Paris are not just preparing for competition, they are part of a larger narrative of growth and transformation. It showcases the power of sport to unite and inspire. Inspirational speeches and heartfelt celebrations highlight the profound impact of the Games. The unity and collective joy experienced by the crowds are a testament to the unifying power of sport. The Games remind us that we are all part of something bigger than ourselves. The Olympic torch relay, passing through various hands and places, symbolizes the shared journey of humanity. Athletes waving to the crowd embody the connection between competitors and spectators. We are all connected through our shared humanity. The closing ceremony, with its emotional farewells and spectacular fireworks, is a poignant reminder that despite our differences, we are united by our common dreams and aspirations. The Olympics are a celebration of what it means to be human. The Seine River shimmers, the Eiffel Tower sparkles. Tonight, Paris transforms into a stage for the world. The opening ceremony begins with a breathtaking display. Fireworks paint the sky in vibrant colors. Music fills the air, a symphony of French elegance. Boats glide along the Seine, transformed into floating stages. They carry performers in dazzling costumes. Each boat tells a story, a chapter in France's rich history. The crowd roars with delight. The energy is electric. We are transported to a world of wonder. It's a night of magic, a night to remember. The opening ceremony is a love letter to Paris. It's a celebration of French art, music, and culture. Iconic landmarks are incorporated into the performance. Dancers twirl beneath the Arc de Triomphe. Fashion takes center stage, showcasing French haute couture. Models strut down a runway on water, descend their catwalk. The designs are bold, innovative, and breathtaking. A troupe of dancers performs a can-can, full of energy and joy. The music is infectious, impossible not to tap your feet to. It's a reminder of Paris's vibrant nightlife and artistic spirit. The Parade of Nations begins, a symbol of global unity. Athletes from every corner of the world enter the stadium. They march with pride, their smiles beaming. They carry the hopes and dreams of their nations. The crowd erupts in cheers, welcoming each team. The atmosphere is electric, filled with a sense of camaraderie. For a few short weeks, differences fade away. We are all citizens of the world, united by the spirit of sport. The French team enters last, met with a roar of applause. The athletes wave enthusiastically, proud to represent their nation on home soil. This is their moment, and they are ready to shine. Section 5. Sporting icons and triumphant tales celebrating athletic spirit. The Olympic torch makes its entrance, carried by sporting legends. These are athletes who have inspired generations with their dedication and achievements. The crowd rises to their feet, honoring their legacy. The torch relay tells a story of perseverance and triumph. It symbolizes the passing of the Olympic flame from one generation to the next. The flame represents hope, unity, and the pursuit of excellence. Finally, the cauldron is lit, bathing the stadium in a warm glow. The crowd erupts in cheers, a collective gasp of awe and wonder. The games have officially begun. Section 6. The Spirit of Olympism, a legacy of hope and inspiration. The Olympic Games have always been a beacon of hope, a symbol of unity, and a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. The opening ceremony is more than just a spectacle. It is a grand celebration that marks the beginning of an event that brings the world together. The dazzling fireworks, the vibrant performances, and the parade of nations all signify the start of something truly extraordinary. It's a reminder of the power of the human spirit. Each athlete's journey to the Olympics is filled with countless hours of training, overcoming obstacles, and pushing beyond their limits. Their stories inspire us to believe in our own potential and to strive for greatness in our own lives. Athletes from all backgrounds come together. They represent the diversity of our world, showcasing different cultures, traditions, and histories. Yet, they are united by a common goal: to compete at the highest level and to honor the spirit of the Games. They compete with passion, dedication, and respect. The Olympic Games are not just about winning medals. They are about the journey, the effort, and the respect for fellow competitors. Every handshake, every embrace, and every moment of sportsmanship reflects the true essence of Olympism. The Games inspire us to be our best selves. Watching athletes achieve their dreams motivates us to pursue our own aspirations with the same fervor and determination. The cheers of the crowd, the tears of joy, and the moments of triumph remind us of the beauty of human achievement. They teach us the importance of teamwork, perseverance, and fair play. The Olympic Games are a testament to the values that define us as individuals and as a society. They remind us that success is not just about individual glory, but about working together, supporting each other, and playing fair. The Olympic spirit is about striving for excellence, both on and off the field. It is about pushing the boundaries of what is possible, setting new standards, and inspiring future generations to dream big and to work hard to achieve their goals. Paris 2024 is a celebration of diversity and inclusion. The Games will showcase the rich cultural tapestry of our world, highlighting the beauty of our differences and the strength of our unity. It is a reminder that we are stronger together. It showcases the power of sport to break down barriers and unite people. The Olympic Games transcend borders, politics, and differences, bringing people together in a spirit of friendship and mutual respect. They remind us of our shared humanity and our common aspirations. The Games remind us that we are all connected by our shared humanity. In a world that often feels divided, the Olympics serve as a powerful reminder that we are all part of one global community, united by our love for sport and our desire for a better, more inclusive world. Section 7, Paris 2024, a catalyst for change and progress. The Paris Olympics are not just about sporting achievements. They are also an opportunity to promote positive change. Paris 2024 aims to be the most sustainable Games ever. The Games are promoting environmental responsibility. They are using renewable energy sources and reducing their carbon footprint. Paris 2024 is leaving a positive legacy for future generations. The Olympics are also a platform for social progress. They promote gender equality, accessibility, and inclusion for all. Paris 2024 is sending a powerful message of unity and respect. Section 8. Embracing the Olympic Values, a call to action. The Olympic Games are more than just a series of competitions. They are a celebration of human spirit and potential. As we watch the Games unfold, we witness the culmination of years of dedication, hard work, and perseverance. Each athlete's journey is a testament to the power of determination and the pursuit of excellence. Let us remember the Olympic values. These values are not just for the athletes but for all of us. They remind us to push beyond our limits and strive for greatness in every aspect of our lives. Let us strive for excellence in all that we do. Whether in sports, academics, or our daily endeavors, the pursuit of excellence should be our guiding principle. Let us embrace friendship, respect, and fair play. These values foster a sense of community and mutual respect, essential for a harmonious society. The Olympics inspire us to be our best selves. They show us that with dedication and hard work, we can achieve our dreams and make a positive impact on the world. They remind us that we are all part of something bigger than ourselves. The Games bring together people from all corners of the globe, united by a shared passion and a common goal. Let us carry the spirit of the Games with us long after the closing ceremony. The lessons we learn from the Olympics can guide us in our everyday lives, inspiring us to be better individuals and global citizens. Let us use this moment to create a more peaceful, inclusive, and sustainable world. The Olympic spirit encourages us to work together to address global challenges and build a brighter future for all. The Games show us what is possible when we come together in the spirit of unity and cooperation. They remind us that despite our differences, we can achieve great things when we work together towards a common goal. Section 9. Beyond the Games, the Enduring Legacy of Paris, 2024. The Paris Olympics will leave a lasting legacy. New infrastructure will benefit the city for years to come. The Games will inspire a new generation of athletes. The spirit of the Games will live on in the hearts of all who witness them. Paris 2024 will be remembered as a celebration of human potential. The Games will inspire us to build a brighter future together. Paris 2024 is a reminder that anything is possible when we work together. Let us use this moment to create a world where everyone has the opportunity to shine. Section 10. Witness the Extraordinary. Experience the Magic of Paris 2024. Don't miss a moment of the Paris Olympics. Tune in to witness history in the making. Let the Games inspire you with their message of hope and unity. Cheer on your favorite athletes as they compete for glory. Celebrate the power of sport to unite the world. The Paris Olympics are an event you won't want to miss. Section 11. Join the movement. Share the inspiration, spread the dream. Share your excitement for the Paris Olympics with the world. Use the hashtag #Paris2024 to join the conversation online. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Olympic updates. Let's spread the spirit of the Games far and wide. Together we can make a difference.